Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a recent trade. It's a 2015 Rockwood 2306 bunkhouse. It's got a little delamination, but other than that, it's very, very nice. No slides. Half-ton towable. Got the ladder already put on the back. Crank up antenna. A fan favorite. And it is a Murphy bed unit. We'll put that down here in just a minute. 3-burner cooktop range oven. There's our bunks. Nice little TV. Eating area. Dometic refrigerator on off. Rear shower. Max air fan. And this unit does have a lot of storage all over. I mean, there's quite a lot for this guy right here. Okay, here's our Murphy bed. I'm going to try this with one hand. Couch folds down. We have 2 locks. I've already disengaged one of them, so we'll take the other one out. There we go. And that bed is heated also. So, this is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.